How to make Facebook Marketplace account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make a Facebook Marketplace account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to create a Facebook Marketplace account so that you can begin selling, let me tell you, you don't need a separate account to sell on Marketplace. The Facebook account that you currently have, that you're currently using, is also can be used for your Marketplace purposes. Now to do this, if you tap the Marketplace icon from the very top of the screen, you'll come to this page where you can choose to buy products. But if you'd also like to sell your very own products that you might have, you can basically just tap the sell button, as you would be able to find them. Anyone on or off from Facebook can sell anything that they'd like. So tap on items, and then after you create your first listing, your Marketplace profile is going to get automatically created. So when you tap this profile icon over here, you can see it says view Marketplace profile. I can just tap the view Marketplace profile option to be able to view my Marketplace profiles and accounts. That's all it takes to make Marketplace accounts. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.